In this video, we will see dry run of the code. Now let's quickly check the dry run of this code. Okay, so we have this intervals array, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, total 7 intervals we have. So first thing is I need to sort according to their end time. Okay, so if I sort according to their end time, so whichever end first will come first. That is 1 comma 3 will come first, then 2 comma 4 will come first. Then we have 4 comma 9, 4 comma 7. So 4 comma 7 will come first. Then 4 comma 9 or 7 comma 8. Yeah, this is ending more first. So 7 comma 8. Then we have 4 comma 9, I guess. 4 comma 9. And then we have 8 comma 10 and 9 comma 10. So you can choose anyone. 8 comma 10 suppose. Then we have 9 comma 10. Okay. Or let me put as it is same so that there won't be any disruption. 9 comma 10, then we have 8 comma 10. Okay, and then we have 12 comma 16. Okay, and that's the end of it, I guess. So let me put the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I need to find maximum number of intervals. So I will start my max with 1. Okay, max with 1. Last time will be last end time. So last end time equals to the first interval, that is 0th interval end time, that is 3. Okay, and I am, instead of saying max non-overlap intervals, I am simply put max equals to 1. Okay, and now let's start your ith interval, that is starting from 1. Okay, so I will check, can I take this, right? Is interval I comma 0, right? I will come to here, my for loop is starting from 1 to length of it. Okay, so it will go till 7. I will check, is interval I comma 0, that is 2, is greater than equals to last end time. So no, last end time is end at 3. So no, it's not greater. So I won't pick up. Okay. If condition is false, I won't pick up. I will move to the next one. Now 4 comma 7. Can I choose this one? Is the interval starting time 4 is greater than equals to last end time? Yes, it is. So what I will do, I will simply update my max to 2 and I will update last end time to end time. So it is ending at 7. So I will put 7 here and I will move ahead. Now, can this interval starting time I comma 0 starting time is greater than equals to last end time, this condition last end time? Yes, it is equal. So I can choose this one. So if I choose maximum, I will update it with 3 and last end time will be 8 now. Okay, now next interval starting time is 4. Okay, can I pick this one? Is 4 is greater than equals to last end time? No, it's not. So I won't pick this one. I will move ahead. Okay, and I have this 9 comma 10, right? Can I pick this one? 9 comma 10. Yes, you can pick this one, right? So if I pick this one 9 comma 10, what will the last end time? That will be 10 only, and maximum time, that maximum will be updated by 4. Okay, and I will move ahead and I will check, can I pick this one? Can the starting time is greater than equals to last end time? 8 is not greater than last end time, so I won't pick this one. I will move ahead, right? 12, 16. What is the starting time? Starting time is 12. Is it greater than equals to last end time? Yes, it is greater. So I will pick this one. I will update last end time to 16 and I will update max update to 5. Okay. So what will now I have maximum as 5. That means 5 meetings can be possible here. And what are the total number of meetings? That is 8. So 8 minus 5, that is 3, and 3 is our answer. Basically, I will come to result. Results will be intervals dot length. So that is intervals dot length 8 minus maximum, that is 5, and I am getting 3 as an result. Now quickly verify our answer. Okay, so we have 1 comma 3, one meeting, and one meeting is starting from 2 comma 4. One meeting is from 4 comma 7. One meeting is from 7 comma 8. One meeting is from 4 comma 9. 4 comma 9. Okay, one meeting is from 9 comma 10. One meeting is from 8 comma 10. So this one, and one meeting from 12 to 16. Okay, so if you want to remove the like minimum number of non-overlapping intervals, what you will choose, right? You will first pick this one, right? 1 comma 3, then 4 comma 7, then 7 comma 8, and then 9 comma 10, and then 12 comma 16. Even if you choose 8 comma 10, that is also fine. But see, 1 2 3 4 5, 5, and we will remove these two, right? If we remove these two, 2 comma 4 and 4 comma 9 and 8 comma 10, right? These three, there is like the whole thing will become non-overlapping intervals. That's why our answer is 3. Clear? Okay. So yeah, that's all about our intervals. Okay. Whatever we have covered so far in the intervals that are very again specific to the intervals only, right? We have checked about, and we also know that whenever there is an interval question, if we sort according to the start time or end time, we will get some more clarity. So always try to sort first to get the approach, to get the observations, and then try to make the approach. Okay, then that's all for this video. See you in the next video.